What is happening, everyone? Stick around for 2 minutes with me here and watch me do a ceramic coating on this new Ford F-150. All the products will be linked down below in the description as well. So we're going to jump right into the wash here. I will link a full video for washing and protecting the wheels at the end of this video as well. We're going to use P&S Hot Shot Degreaser and Brake Buster. I'm going to go ahead and apply my IK Foam Pro on top of that just to make sure none of the products are drying on the tire. Go ahead and use a tire brush just to really clean those tire walls. Then after blasting them off, we're going to go ahead and move on to the paint. I'm going to be using my IK Foam Pro again to apply a pre-rinse, and then after blasting this off, I will apply soap again just to begin the wash. And you'll see that both with the contact wash and clay process, both are done in straight lines. This just minimizes the risk of swirling your paint if there does happen to be something on there still after the pre-rinse. And you'll see this vehicle was new and quite clean already, so I just used the clay mitt instead of the bar. I'm going to go ahead and blast this off again and begin the polish process. The polish I'm using is Rupes DA Fine Polish, and this small machine here is the Flex PXE 80. I also use my Rupes LHR 15, which is the 5-inch polisher. And then this coating here is G-Technic Crystal Serum Light. Definitely one of the best coatings I've used, and it's a staple for what I use in my business. This one is rated for up to 5 years, but I always market it as a 3-year because I'm in Canada. We see some nasty winters, and also the length of time that the coating lasts will just depend on how the customer really maintains their vehicle and coating. Go ahead and just lay the final touches on with Geon Q2 tire protectant. You can see how much of a difference that makes. Do a walk around here for the final results. Subscribe for daily detailing content, and comment down below if you have questions or want to see some more specific detailing or business related content.